Hello, today we are going to review the code of Workspace Glue. In the last video, I introduced the version using the message bus. But the code we will review today is the version using a timer. Let's start today's topic right away. The important thing in implementing Workspace Glue is depending on how we can find out the change of variables. One way to do this is watching a variable periodically. This way is called polling. By looking at the variable in a time routine that runs periodically, we can detect a change of the variable. To use the timer in Blender, we need to create a function that returns the interval time and register it via the fTimer module. In Workspace Glue, the actual implementation of the timer function is as shown like this. The upper part of the function is for the workspace, and the lower part is for the scene. When the workspace detects a change, it saves the workspace as the last one for the current scene. When the scene change is happened, it switches the current workspace to the last saved workspace. The basic operations are the same as for the message bus. The difference from the message bus is that it is clear and easy to control the racing conditions on the workspace transition. In addition to that, the polling way can detect when scenes and workspaces deleted or created, which it cannot do with the message bus. So, the overall operations works well as our intention with no error. However, in general, the polling method may cause some delay depending on the timer period, and has one more disadvantage. It uses some computer processing load all the time. Of course, practically it is not too much. Up to this is the basic function, and also this add-on can pre-map a suitable workspace for the scene in a Blender project when it first loads. So when loading a project, we don't have to specify a suitable workspace every time, even if it contains many scenes. If there is any video strips in the scene, it is assigned the video sequencer as the workspace. If there is no video strip and there are only grease pencil objects, is designated the 2D editor. And in other cases, it is assigned the 3D editor as the workspace. This workspace mapping function is used as a handler and is executed immediately after the project is loaded. The register function installs a timer and handler. The unregister function removes them. That's all for today's code review. What do you think about today's code review? The events using a message bus and the polling using a timer. Are they both pretty much far from Blender? Of course, I think so too. But then, what relationship do you think between using Blender and English speaking? Is there no relationship? When it comes to my English speaking, I don't think so. I am making these videos to improve my English speaking. If you have some good ideas about my English speaking, please let me know. Then see you next time. Bye.